এভরিওয়ান, আমি সানিয়া। কেমন আছো সবাই? আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছো। সো আজকে আমরা পড়তে চলেছি অ্যানিমাল কিংডম। ওকে, অ্যানিমাল কিংডমের যে রিভিশনটা আমরা করব, আমি প্রত্যেকবারই বলি যে খুবই শর্ট নোট আমরা পড়ি, আমাদের রিভিশন হয়ে যায়। পরে কিন্তু তোমরা কোয়েশ্চেন প্র্যাকটিস অবশ্যই করবে। আমার ভিডিও দেওয়ার অপেক্ষাতে যেন থেকো না। কোয়েশ্চেন প্র্যাকটিস না করলে কিন্তু হবে না। কোয়েশ্চেন প্র্যাকটিসই সব। আর কদিন আছে, আর মাত্র একদম হাতে গোনা 30 দিন সময়। এই 1 মাস কিন্তু খুব তাড়াতাড়ি চলে যাবে। তো আর যাই হোক, আমাদেরকে হার্ড ওয়ার্ক তো জারি রাখতেই হবে। তো আমরা শুরু করি আজকের ইন্ট্রোডাকশন থেকে। Are multicellular heterotrophic eukaryotes who exhibit different patterns of organization of several types of cell. Basis of classification: the fundamental feature common to various individuals and are used as the basis of animal classification have been given below. Level of organization: through all the members of kingdom Animalia are multicellular, yet all of them do not exhibit at same pattern of cellular organization. Different levels of organization as discussed below: cellular level, tissue level, organ system level. So, cellular level cell aggregates found in sponges, tissue level cell performing same function arranged into tissue found in colinterators and ctenophores. Organ level tissue grouped together to form organ found in phylum, Platyhelminthes and other higher phyla. Organ system level association of organ to form functional system found in annelids to chordatas. Symmetry: on the basis of symmetry, animals can be asymmetrical. Body cannot be divided into equal halves by any plane. Radially symmetrical body can be divided into equal halves by any plane passing through the central axis. Colinterators, ctenophores and echinoderms and bilaterally symmetrical body can be divided into two identical halves, left and right, only along one plane, annelids and arthropodas. Diploblastic and triploblastic organization: on the basis of germ cell, animals are classified. Diploblastic cell arranged in two embryonic layers, external echoderm and internal endoderm. Colinterators and triploblastic cell arranged in three germ cell, ectoderm, endoderm and undifferentiated layer mesoderm between them. Phylum Platyhelminthes to chordata. Coelom: it is body cavity present between body wall and gut wall, which is lined by mesoderm. Annelids are also classified on the basis of presence or absence of colintrator as given below. Coelomates, coelomates, animals which possess coelom. They are further classified into schizocoelomate, annelids, mollusks, and arthropods, and entercoelomates, echinoderms, and chordatas. Acylomate: the animal is which body cavity is absent are called acylomate. Porphyra, porifera, and platyhelminthes true acylomate. Pseudocoelomate: modern does not line the body cavity in the present between ectoderm and endoderm as scattered pouches as helminthes. Segmentation: in some animals and bodies externally are internally divided into segments or some somates with the serial phenomenon is known as metamerism. Notochord: it is mesodermally derived rod-like structure are formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development in this animal. Animals with notochord are called chordatas, and without notochord and non-chordatas, porifera and echinodermata. Classification of annelids. Classification of animals. Broadly, kingdom Animalia is classified as follows: non-chordatas. The non-chordatas include the following phyla. Phyla porifera include sponges, which are usually marine and mostly asymmetrical animals with canal system as the most important feature. Center cavity present in sponges is known as spongiocell. It is lined by collar cell and canocytes, and it opens to outside by osculum. Water enters the spongiocell through minute pores called ostia and moves out through osculum. The body is supported by Spicules or spongin fibers which from skeletal system. They are hermaphrodites. Both male and female gametes are produced within same individual. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect. Sponges reproduce asexually by fragmentation and sexually by gamete formation. Larval system of morphological distinct from adult cycone, spongilla and Spongia. Phylum Cynadria, Phylum Nidaria, Colintrata consists of aquatic marine sicily radially symmetrical animals. Tentacles are either present over the mouth or around of the body edges. Cells called nidocyte are present on the tentacles and body. These are used as the anchors defense in capture of prey. A central gastrovascular cavity, colon with a single opening mouth of uh, Hippostome is present. Some cnidarians corals have skeletal composed of CaCO3. They show polymorphism with two basic body plants. Polyps are fixed, sicily, cylindrical, hydra, adamsia, etc. The cnidarians exist in both forms, exhibit alternation of generation. Polyps produce medusa asexually and medusa produce polyps asexually. Phylum Ctenophores, comb jellies are sea walnuts. These are extensively marine diptoblastic radially symmetrical acylomate. At organism with tissue level of organization, body is soft, transparent and glacial sheath was well marked bioluminescence of the living organism to emit light. 8 external rows of striated comb plates help in locomotion. Digestion is both extracellular and intercellular. These are asexually reproducing monoecious organism with external fertilization and indirect development. Phylum Platyhelminthes. These are dorsoventrally flattened, bilaterally symmetrical, tripoblastic and acylomated animals. They are mostly endoparasite and show organ system level of organization. These are specialist cell or excretion, osmoregulation called flame cell. Phylum Aschelhelminthes, they are bilaterally symmetrical, trapoblastic and pseudocoelomate animals with the body being circular in cross section. They are free living aquatic terrestrial or parasitic forms. They are dioecious and show internal fertilization with indirect development. Female are often long than males. Alimentary canal is complete with a well developed muscular pharynx. Phylum Annelida. They are tripoblastic, show organ level of body organization and bilaterally symmetrical. They show metameric segmentation. Body surface is distinctly marked out into segments or metameres. Is aided by longitudinal and circular muscle. In Nereis, swimming is achieved bilateral appendage called parapodia. Respiration is through skin or gills. Circulatory system is closed and digestive system incomplete. Excretion is through nephridia. Both monoecious Nereis and dioecious forms teratema. Neural system consists of paired ganglia connected by lateral nerve by a double ventral nerve cord. They reproduce sexually. Arthropoda, largest phylum of kingdom. Animalia include insect. They are tripoblastic, segmented, bilaterally symmetrical coelomate animals. Body is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. They possess joint appendage. Circulatory system is open type, forming hemocell. Sensory organ like antenna, eyes, statocysts, balancing organ are present. Respiratory system shows diverse range: gills, trachea, buccal, lungs, general body surface and book, gills, apex, culex, lumellus are living fossils. So etc. Excretion takes place through malphizian tubules. Fertilization is internal with direct or indirect development, mostly dioecious. Phylum Mollusca, it is second largest phylum. There is terrestrial or aquatic, mostly marine, and some are freshwater. They are bilaterally symmetrical, tripoblastic and coelomate animals. Body is unsegmented and covered by a calcareous shell, but consists of distinct head, muscular foot, and visceral hump. The space between hump and mantle is called mantle cavity, in which feather-like gills are present. Their respiratory and excretory function and the anterior head region has sensory tentacles. Feeding is performed through radula. Circulation is open type. Excretion through organ of Bojanus, Metaniphidia pair. Sexes are separated and are mostly oviparous. Octopus, Philia, Sepia, they are usually dioecious and oviparous with indirect development. Phylum Echinodermata have an endoskeleton. Caloraceous ossicles is they are rapidly symmetrical of adult stage and bilaterally symmetrical and larval stage. They are tripoplastic and coelomate animals. Water vascular system is present, which helps in locomotion, capture and transport of food and respiration. Complete digestive system is present and excretory system is absent. Sexes are separated and reproduction is sexual with indirect development and free swimming larvae and ostrich, echinus, starfish, sea urchin, cucumber, sea cucumber. Phylum Hemichordata, half chordatas. These are bilaterally symmetrical, tripoplastic, and coelomate worm-like marine animals. Body is cylindrical and divided into proboscis, collar, and trunk. Notochord is present. Excretion occurs through proboscis gland. Circulation is open type. Respiration occurs through gill slit pair. Sexes are separated. Fertilization is external development. Connecting link between echinodermatous and chordatus, glossas. Phylum chordata. These are notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, paired pharyngeal slit, gill slit, post anal tail are at some stages of they are divided into following subphyla. Urochordata, notochordata is present only the larval tail. Hartmannia. Cephalochordata, notochord persists throughout life and extends from head to tail. Branchystomata, note urochordata and cephalochordata are often referred as protochordata. Vertebrata, notochord replaced by vertebrata column in adult. Subphylum vertebrata division Ajantha, Dasthomata, jawless vertebrate, jawed vertebrates. Class Cyclostomata, Pteromyzon, and superclass Pisces, Tetrapoda. Tetrapoda. True fishes typically 4 limbs. Class true fishes, Placodermi, chondricysis, ostracis. Class Amphibia, frog, reptile, snake, avis, parrot, mammalia. Some major class of vertebrate. Characteristic feature of some major classes subphylum vertebrate are follows. Class Cyclostomata. These are ectoparasites on some fishes have 6 to 15 pairs of gill slit and circular mouth without jaw. Those possess succitorial tongue that bears horny teeth. Class Chordicites. These are cartilaginous fishes. Notochord is developed passes throughout life. Mouth is on central teeth. Modified placoid scales. So one thing is here is everything. Different phyla in the animal clan. Here is everything. Porifera, cellular, asymmetrical, coelomate, absent, circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system. Special features is presence of canocytes, presence of water transport or water canal system. Here is everything. এটা এনসিআরটিও দেওয়া আছে, এনসিআরটিতেও। সো এটা একবার তোমরা যদি রিডিং করে নাও, এটা আমি আই থিঙ্ক সো সবটাই ভিজিবল হচ্ছে, তাও এনসিআরটিতেও দেওয়া আছে, তোমরা পড়ে নিতে পারবে। তাহলে আমাদের এই চ্যাপ্টারটা কমপ্লিট হয়ে যাবে। সো থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও অ্যান্ড ভিডিওটাকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবে। আর পরের চ্যাপ্টারটা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি চলে আসবে। তো তোমরা কিন্তু টার্গেট নিয়ে পড়াশোনা করো। আমি যে রুটিনটা আমি অ্যানালাইজ করে যেটা বলেছিলাম, নাহলে কিন্তু রিভিশনটা কমপ্লিট হবে না। আর পিওয়াইকিউ বলতে প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার যে কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো আছে 2021 থেকে 2025 মোস্টলি হাইলি প্রবাবল কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো তোমরা করতে থাকো, তাহলে কিন্তু তোমরা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি এগিয়ে যাবে সিলেকশনের দিকে। সো ঠিক আছে, বাই আজকের জন্য, পরে ভিডিওতে আবার দেখা হচ্ছে।